Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. So this is the fifth video of a series where we fill our sketchbooks with Zentangle art. So for this one, we will be inspired from quotes. Let's get started. So I love reading novels and I have this habit of keeping notes of the quotes that I really liked or the ideas that really stimulated my mind when I'm reading. So every time I have an arts block, I just get the latest books that I've read and I just try to get through them and find notes that I really enjoyed. For today's video, I was actually inspired from a previous quote that I found on my Kindle. It's from a book by Haruki Murakami. The book is called Killing Commandatore, but I've read it in French, and the quote that really spoke to me was this one. Les pensées deviennent un arbre énigmatique dont les branches se développent librement dans le noir. I've tried to translate it roughly, and it translates to thoughts become an enigmatic tree which branches grow freely in the dark. I thought this was an interesting image to try and translate into our sketchbooks today. So yeah, let's get started. So today's concept is all about the thoughts that come out of our minds and turn into these tangled branches and big trees, and that are sometimes actually hard to contemplate and hard to make sense of. But I think we can all agree that the outcome of these thoughts, the act of thinking itself, is beautiful. So this is what I'm going to try to put on this blank page today. So I think I'll be just drawing a silhouette. So if you've been following the series so far, you know that my silhouettes are very simple. The basic sketches are very simple, and I just leave all the details for the Zentangle part. So I can make a silhouette of a person, and then from their head there will be basically different branches coming out and being tangled. I don't know if I want to go for spooky or beautiful, but we'll see and we'll figure it out along the way. Let's get started. So this is what it turned out to be. So basically there's a person here drawing or writing or creating something basically, and from their mind we have a lot of branches coming, and what they're drawing or writing is becoming these leaves that kind of decorates these naked branches. And what I wanted to symbolize is this connection between our thoughts and our creativity, and how our creativity kind of give our thoughts their meaning and give them beauty and make them make sense basically. So this is what I really love about this creative process, like getting inspired from words and quotes. It starts to be something, and then as you're trying to draw and add your feelings into it and add your own thoughts into it, you basically make the quotes your own. And I love doing that. It gives me so much inspiration, so much to think about. So yeah, this is the concept. So let's get to the inking part. There we go. It's done. So my phone was out of charge, so I couldn't record the parts where I added Zentangles and patterns to this page, but I hope you got the idea from the first page. But either way, I always encourage you to make your patterns and your Zentangles as intuitive as possible, so we can start from the same concept, the same idea, but end up with different results, which give us more opportunities to share with each other and hopefully learn from each other. So, super happy with the way it turned out, honestly. I'm very proud of it, and I find myself always like very happy with the illustrations I make after being inspired from quotes and novels. I feel like it's, for me personally, the best way to unlock my creativity. Um, so, yeah, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I hope you are too. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next pages. Goodbye.